Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning. Today, my topics: how should Muslim Islamic center or masajid be managed? Should they follow Islamic law or specifically Sharia law? In my view, they should be run according to Sharia law because it is a masajid. Sharia is a system of law meant for Muslim society, and it can be adapted to fit European and American context in ways that are acceptable and appropriate. However, in some mosque or Islamic center, we see there that they do not follow fully Sharia principle. Instead, they apply rules selectively, often in ways that benefit a certain individual. For example, some mosque committee are selected through Sharia law, or it's a selection process, then a fair election. In such case, I think decision making is often controlled by one or two people, creating a kind of one-man show. It also seems that people who are unsure of their own identity are often the ones trying harder to hold positions or power. Once they are in those positions, they do everything possible to keep their authority, regardless of fairness or community interest. Remember, when I am talking, it is not from my ego or anything. I am talking for the benefit of our community, how it can be benefited. And if I say something, say something, right? These kinds of things. And this problem is not in one masajid, many masajids. And those who are in the committee, they are working hard for the community, but it should be only for the satisfaction of Allah. And inshallah, all of them are doing it for the satisfaction of Allah. So just this video just to remind each other that, look, remember, once it is really whatever we are doing for the satisfaction of Allah, we can do anything possible to correct ourselves, right? And if it is not for the satisfaction of Allah, you will see that it will hurt me, it will give me problem to accept it or reject it. So inshallah, all of us is really doing for the satisfaction of Allah. If we are not doing it, in between we should really check ourselves that am I doing it for the satisfaction of Allah or I am doing it for my own desire. If in any place of serving our community, if we say that we are doing for the satisfaction of my own desire, satisfying my own desire, we should correct our intention and change it for the satisfaction of Allah. Inshallah, it will benefit us and benefit our community. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.